Hello everyone, it's Mrs. Bradley here, and today we're going to be learning about a tens frame and how to use it for counting. This is a tens frame here. It's empty right now. We call it a tens frame because it has 10 empty squares in it. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 5 squares at the top and there are 5 squares at the bottom. The tens frame lets us see really quickly how many squares are covered and how many are empty. I'm going to show you today how you can use a tens frame with counting objects, and we're going to play a game. All you will need is your tens frame that's in your home learning pack and your number cards from 1 to 10. You will also need 10 small objects. I've just used these colourful buttons, but you could use some objects that you've got at home, as long as they're small enough to fit inside the squares. Okay, before we start the game, let's have a look at these numbers here. We've got numbers going from 1 to 10, and these are the numbers that we've been learning in nursery. I wonder if you can remember them, children. Let's see. I'm going to point to a number and I'd like you to say it out loud for me. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 9, 8, 7, 6, 10. That's right. Excellent, children. Well done. Okay, let's begin our game. Now, before we start, I wonder if you can remember our careful counting rules. We must always count objects in a line. We must touch one at a time, and we must say one number for each object. Now, we must remember the total amount that we're trying to count. So if it's number 3, we must remember to stop at number 3. The last number is the total. So I'd like you to have a go at playing this game with your grown-up, or it could be your brother or sister. I would like them to select a number for you. You're going to place the number next to your tens frame. Can you tell me what number this is? That's right, it's number 3. And remember, we can always use the spots to count to remind us what the number is. We're now going to carefully count 3 objects onto the tens frame. Must remember our careful counting rules, and I'm going to have a go. So I need 3 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I think I've done something wrong. I've made a mistake. Can anybody tell me what I've done wrong? Yes, Mrs. Bradley forgot something, didn't I? I forgot to stop. I knew my total was 3 and I kept going. Oh dear, I forgot to stop at 3. I'm going to have another go, and this time I'm going to remember number 3. I must stop when I get to 3. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Let me just point and check. 1, 2, 3. Number 3, and the total is 3. The quantity is 1, 2, 3. Fantastic. Okay, I think we've got time to do one more before you can play your game. I'm going to choose another number now. I'm going to choose a number that is 1 more than 3. I'm going to choose 1 more than 3, which is number 4. Okay, let me see if I can remember how to count carefully. 1 at a time, must stop at 4. Okay, off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did I do that correctly, children? Oh no, it looks like there's too many buttons. I didn't count 4, did I? There's definitely more than 4. What did I do wrong? That's right. I didn't count the buttons one at a time, did I? Okay, I'm going to try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4, and the total quantity of objects is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4, 4 buttons. Excellent. I think I did really well with that. Okay, children, I think that's all we've got time for today. But next time I'm going to show you something else that you can do with your tens frame. Please keep practicing at home. Keep careful counting everything and using your tens frame to see if you can count maybe even more objects than Mrs. Bradley did today. See if you can get all the way up to number 10. Have fun with it and take care, and I'll see you next time. Well done, everybody.